What is up, Restomods Nation? We are back at FiTech with our green 1969 Dodge Charger. This is gonna be RM21. As you know, we give away a Charger about every year. All right, let's pop the hood on this thing and see what's inside. There we go. All right, so this is what we got under the hood. 440, bored, stroked, but it needs a FiTech. So Bryce, what are you guys gonna do to this thing?
Probably gonna throw on one of our 600 horsepower EFI systems on it. Being a big cubic inch motor, we want to be able to support the horsepower that's there. As far as the ignition system and everything, it looks like we may be able to use what's existing, or we may throw on something ourselves, but we don't know until we get the car into our shop and we start digging through it.
All right, sweet. Can't wait to see what FiTech does to this Charger. I'm ready for it to make a little bit more power and get on your guys' dyno maybe, and then the classic burnout.
Absolutely.
All right, let's do it. All right, so he's pulling it into the dyno stall right now, and we're guessing numbers. I'm gonna say 395 to the wheels. What about you, Jeff?
I guess 325.
325 from Jeff, all right.
I'm gonna guess it's gonna make like I wanna say 350. Okay. 350 to the wheels, 400 at the crank.
What do you think now?
Who's got the most money on what?
Yeah, I don't know. That one.
I gotta wipe them out.
We got a bet going on here, man. We got a bet.
What is it?
Who's got? All right, who's got the highest guess?
I say 430.
430.
You said 430.
High three. 395. 395.
That's what I said. All right.
Documented. We got it.
Closer to that one.
All right, y'all, that is it. This Charger makes 394 to the wheels. Big thanks to FiTech and the guys for hooking us up. But there's one last thing that we gotta do. Mike, what is it?
Gotta do a burnout.
Woo!